Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the area. This prevents grit from scratching glass. First, wipe the window clean, then apply focused heat. Hold a heat gun or hair dryer about 6-8 inches away. Move continuously for 30 to 60 seconds until the adhesive softens. Once warm, use your fingernail or a plastic razor to catch an edge and peel back slowly at a 45-degree angle. You want steady pressure, not jerks, because controlled motion separates sticker layers. Once the sticker film is off, you address the remaining adhesive. Apply a commercial adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl alcohol. Allow 1 to 3 minutes to penetrate. Then, with a plastic razor held flat, scrape in small passes, apply light pressure and keep the blade nearly parallel to the glass. Wipe loosened residue immediately with a microfiber rag. If residue resists, reheat briefly and repeat solvent application. This combination, the heat to soften and the solvent to dissolve, is the reliable way to finish clean. To finish, clean the window thoroughly with glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Inspect under different light angles to catch haze or streaks. If small spots of adhesive remain, apply a little Goo Gone or citrus solvent, wait a minute, then wipe and wash with warm soapy water. If you discover lifted tint film or paint damage, stop immediately and seek professional help. Continuing risks more harm. One key tip: when scraping, keep the blade angle shallow to avoid scratching the glass.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.